have a concussion. Seriously, I have a concussion right now. Oh my God, I died. Okay. Hey everybody, Adina Diaz here, your skincare guru, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just recently got some inquiries about rosacea. What is rosacea, how to cure rosacea, how to treat rosacea, all of the above. So first and foremost, I'm not a doctor. Repeat, I'm not a doctor. I'm an esthetician, a licensed esthetician, so I can analyze, but I can't diagnose or prescribe. So these are suggestions on how I treat rosacea, on how I deal with it, and what I suggest to my clients. So first and foremost, if you have really inflamed and red skin, so it's really pink and rosy in the cheeks, you may have rosacea. If you have really pink rosy cheeks with broken capillaries, you have maybe rosacea. If you have red pink cheeks and you have breakouts, you have acne going on in there, you may have rosacea. So a lot of times people, when they have breakouts and red skin, they automatically think that it's acne. However, it more likely is rosacea. So rosacea is inflammation of the skin. Your skin is freaking irritated. It just needs to be calmed down. There is no cure for rosacea, but there's different things you can do to help it. So first and foremost, lifestyle. If you're a smoker, that's a big no-no. You gotta quit for multiple different reasons, overall health, life, all of it. But smoking definitely aggravates rosacea and it will inflame you and make you irritated. So smoking is a no. Caffeine, the more caffeine you have, the more of caffeine's a stimulant. So the more stimulation you're bringing to your whole entire body and your cheeks and your face, and it will actually make it more irritated. So caffeine, definitely, that's one. Be careful. I drink caffeine and I have rosacea. I drink it in the morning. And after 12 o'clock, I stop because I never sleep, but then obviously I want my rosacea to be calmed and not inflamed. So there's also alcohol. Alcohol, if you noticed when drinking alcohol, you get pink or red in the cheeks. That's bringing, again, stimulation in the cheeks. You want to keep things calm and soothed. So hydrating, lots of water. Do green tea. Green tea is a nice antioxidant and it's not going to be too stimulating to the area. You want to do like turmeric lattes, which is super anti-inflammatory. Also, I absolutely freaking love hot yoga, but it may not be a choice for you if you do suffer from rosacea. If you're hiking, if you're camping, if you're outdoors, full brim hat, full SPF, protect your skin. Even if you're not outdoors all the time, say for example you're a chef, heat stimulation will make rosacea flare up as well. So cooling it down, calming it down, and wearing the appropriate products throughout the day and night to help soothe things down. So my go-to for rosacea clients is the Amaranth Gentle Cleanse from Lotus Moon Skincare. This is completely fragrance-free. It's not going to be irritating to the skin. It's not going to strip the skin. It is so freaking gentle. This is the most gentle cleanser ever. It's a coconut-derived cleansing foaming cleanser. So it's gonna have vitamin E in it, which is gonna help fight free radicals, blue lotus flower extract that helps stimulate circulation, but it's not irritating. The first ingredient is water. Has lavender in it, has sandalwood in it, pink grapefruit, frankincense, calming, soothing, hydrating. I love this stuff. It's a big seller here in the spa because it's gentle and it's effective and all skin types can use it. So I love the Amaranth Gentle Cleanser. I also love the Green Tea Cleanser. This is also a super awesome antioxidant packed cleanser. This is an aloe base, the very top ingredient as well. It's gonna have potent antioxidants to help promote cell respiration. It's lavender, so it's gonna be cleansing. It's also gonna help bring relief from vigorous skin irritations. So this is super creamy, super delicious. It's a coconut base. I love this one as well, and it smells divine. So that's cleanser wise. Then toners, you really wanna be careful with toners out there. If your toner that you're using has high levels of alcohol, it actually can be stripping and irritating your skin. High levels of alcohol give like a false illusion that it's helping and solving the problem on set. It's almost like a Band-Aid effect. It's gonna dry things up and get rid of whatever's happening. Long term, it's gonna come back tenfold and your skin's gonna be irritated and it's gonna be inflamed and it's gonna produce more oil to protect itself, and it's not a good combination. It's like a vicious cycle. So get toners without alcohol. This is a witch hazel based toner, so it's soothing and calming. This is also gonna have hyaluronic acid in it, has lavender, and it also has orange blossom, has DMAE, and it has MSM, which are all going to be restoring the pH balance naturally. It's going to be hydrating, it's going to be soothing, it's going to be softening. It's going to just be calming for your skin. This stuff is awesome. I also love the Meow Meow Tweets Pink Rose Clay Facial Soap. This is for really sensitive skin types as well. Yes, it's a bar of soap, so if you don't like bar of soap because they're messy or you feel like it's going to be irritating, this is my go-to because the base top ingredient first is going to be water. It's going to be olive oil, coconut, and shea. Very soothing, very calming, not stripping, not irritating. You can use this in the whole entire body. If you have sensitive skin, raised bumps, irritation, dryness on the actual body itself, because rosacea mainly is on the face area, but it can be different areas, you can use this safely all over your whole entire body. I also love the Purple Go Unmask Calm because this has turmeric in it, and turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. So I love putting this on clean face and leaving it about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I actually love taking it off with an ice cube. Super calming, super soothing. Just like heat, a flame can burn you, an ice cube can burn you. So instead of holding it somewhere, move along, move along, move along. Don't hold because you can give yourself an ice burn as well. So that's pretty awesome. If you want to get really fancy with it, you can actually put turmeric mixed in with water and then put it in an ice cube tray, set it overnight, and you can actually do it that way too because it's going to be really double anti-inflammatory and soothing and calming. Then to leave on products, the Willow-Herb Serum is my calming, soothing serum. It's a gotu kola and licorice root and the willow herb. So super calming, super soothing, healing, therapeutic, smells delicious in my opinion. You can do this day and night before your moisturizer. Then there's also the high potency recovery gel, which is your facial moisturizer. It's a therapeutic gel moisturizer. This is completely essential oil free. So if you have issues with that or are concerned about that, this would be your go-to. And then last but not least, a heavier night moisturizer is the holy grail of healing balms, the cherry blossom. This is a combo of the Shea Butter. It's gonna have sunflower, it's also gonna have rosehip, it's also gonna have calendula. So this bad boy right here, I absolutely love and recommend for people who are seeking out petroleum or hydrocortisone. This is your natural alternative. Shea Butter is your natural alternative to hydrocortisone, which I do not do any hydrocortisones. So typically people, in this industry, they'll recommend hydrocortisone for inflammation and redness to help calm and soothe things down. It's a topical steroid, so it's gonna help heal the problem on set, but long term, it's still gonna come back, and over time, hydrocortisone is actually thinning to the skin. So you're only supposed to use it for a short period of time, stop, and then go back to it, which makes no sense. So with using something on a natural base, you can use this day, night, every single freaking day of the year. There is no stopping it. There is no negative effect. There's no stripping the skin, no thinning the skin. There's no chemicals going into your body, no toxins. It is as clean as you can possibly get, and I love this stuff because I put it all over places that I have eczema. Rosacea clients use it all over the whole entire face and love it. It's calming and soothing. It is very thick though, so remember that. Just remember, again, if you're going to be doing activities that bring heat stimulation, cool down, literally carry a fan with you, especially during the summer here, especially in Los Angeles. Heat stimulation does make rosacea flare up. Take things internally too that are going to be really anti-inflammatory, like I had said before. The turmeric is a great one. Do your antioxidants, and just make sure that you're doing things that are calming and soothing to your skin and not aggravating whatsoever, because it will inflame it. So, professional treatments wise too, I definitely do not recommend chemical peels for you. If you have rosacea, please don't do chemical peels. It inflames the skin even more. Things that you can do that are really nice and gentle, like especially if you're suffering from acne, Light Stem, for example, this is amazing for acne and inflammation of the skin, and it's holistic, and there's no downtime, and there's no irritation. So if you have pink, red, irritated skin, doing something calming with a professional LED light therapy treatment, doing an oxygen treatment, doing a calming, healing, soothing ice facial, stuff like that is going to be more up your alley. So I wouldn't recommend microdermabrasion or diamond tip, and I wouldn't recommend heavy duty chemical peels. Those are just going to make the skin more inflamed and irritated. All right, I hope that answered everything. Other than that, if it didn't, leave some comments and questions down below in the comment bar, and I will see you guys next time. All right, have a beautiful summer. Stay protected, stay hydrated, wear your full brim hats, reapply your SPF, be a good girl, be a good boy, do what you gotta do. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.